So when we multiply vector by scalar, we just multiply its magnitude, but its orientation and direction does not change. So let's see this. How can we do this graphically? Well, if I start a new sketch, and let's say that I have a coordinate system again. I always start with my coordinate system with a midpoint line. And let's say that I have a line represent a force representing a 5 kilonewtons. And let's say that this is a 25 degrees of vertical. And let's say that my force is pointing upwards. So I will put my little triangle here just for my own sake to know. Okay, so, and now I want to say, well, for my graphical analysis, I want to have a 3 times bigger force, or you tell me 2.5 times bigger force. All what I have to do to make that multiplication by scalar is to make a new line from the same origin up, and then I need to left click on a new line, hold and press shift with a line which defines my force, and say that they are collinear. So click on the add relations, collinear. Now, whatever I do to that new line, it will be on the same line of action as the line that I had before. However, I want it to be exactly 3 times this value. So to do this, I'm going to put a dimension, and I'm going to choose aligned dimension, but instead of putting any value, I'm going to point it to multiply. I'm going to type in a value box for a dimension is equal, and let's say 3 times, and click on a number which represents the length of my original force that I want to multiply. 3 times D1 sketch 1. And look what happened. I got the formula here, and I've got another force. I will put also here a little triangle at the top that I know that it is pointing upwards, which is now exactly 3 times this force, acting in the same direction and same orientation. And that's called, this operation is called the multiplying vector by scalar. If I want to change it, because by placing that equal sign on a dimension, it put this little sigma letter what means equations. If I double click here and I say, I want actually my force to be bigger, instead of the 3, I want it 5. Look, if I type in 5, look what happened. It will immediately redraw it, recalculate it, and I'm ready to go. So this is the graphical multiplication of the force of the vector by scalar. Okay, let's just try this as a demonstration. You don't have to submit this.